G'day and welcome to Landwatch. We're thrilled that you're taking the opportunity now to do up a mud map and start the process of creating your property solution with Landwatch. I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how to do the map through the Google My Maps software. So if you follow along with this, you can set up your mud map and submit it into us so that we can start your process of getting the quote to you and getting your property solution. So from the link, you'll come up to this page here, and at this page, the first thing you want to do is name your map. So if you click up the top there on Untitled Map, you can name it. I'm going to name it the property we're going to have a look at today, so West Hill. Then what you need to do is search for your property. So I'm going to go to the property here, and it'll zoom in and find the property. Now on this map, it's really difficult to see where everything is. So what you want to do is have a look at your base map. So over here, we want to click on the button Base Map and change it to Satellite. Then what we can do is we can zoom in and we can find where your particular homestead is. So if you zoom in here, I can see this homestead here. And what you want to do is mark this map so you can put down notes on what is at that location. So up the top here, we've got undo, redo, select item, add marker, draw a line, add directions, and measure distance and areas. So the main one you want to use here is the add marker. So if you go ahead and on your mouse left click the add marker, and I'll just click it here, and what I'll write in here is homestead. So we want to know where your homestead is, and if you want cameras around the homestead, you can type into here one camera looking at garage, say. That'll save that. If you want to edit this, you can click back onto the pencil here, edit, and retype in what you want to do. Otherwise, just press save and then the X to close that one. Then we want to add another one in for the shed. So if I click on the add marker again and click here for the shed, we can type here workshop. And in here, I actually want to have one camera monitoring the fuel. Oops, typo. Monitoring the fuel. And I also want to have one camera looking inside shed. Now, if you press enter, that automatically saves it. So if you have accidentally pressed enter to go to the next line, you can just edit it here. Then we want to zoom out, and actually I want to go right up the top of this property, and I want to find where the bore tank is, or here's a holding pad, say, and I want to put something, I want to know what's going on up here. So I'm going to click there, and I'm going to have, say, header tank, camera to see the tank, and a camera to see the holding paddock. Save. And you can go ahead then and keep adding them as you need to. So as we look down here, I want to go across this main road here and over to the corner here because I want to monitor this gate. So if I click here and I want to have, we'll call it the Jericho entry. And I want to have here, I want to see number plates. Number plate camera. That's what I want to see there. So you can put that there. Another one we can do is if you want to have a camera, say for here, here's another one in the center, and I want, this one's Mary's Dam, and I want to have a PTZ to view both dams. So the more information you put into the notes, the easier it is for us to start the process to quote. So once you've gone ahead and marked all of your locations, what you want to do then is come over to where it says Untitled Layer, click on the three dots, and you can rename this one here as well, and we can call this the property name. And then we also want to go down here to export data. So this export data and then CSV. So click on the CSV, and what that will do is it'll download it and save it into the downloads on your computer. And then what you want to do is go back to your email and click on the link for the form and fill out the form. And inside the form, there is an upload map button. Once you click that upload map button, you need to select your West Hill or your farm property CSV file and upload that map into the form, and then we can start that process of getting your system quoted up. Thank you for seeing through your map, and we look forward to working with you.